Jonathan, what are we going to learn?
How to subtract fractions and mixed numbers with different denominators?
Are there mixed? Yeah, there are some mixed numbers in here. Okay, very good. Most of it is subtracting with unlike denominators. So what do we need to know how to do when we're subtracting fractions with unlike denominators? Jason?
You need to know how to find common denominators.
You need to know how to find a common denominator. Very good. So let's give a problem of 7/8 minus 1/2. First thing we do is we set up the problem the correct way using equal signs, correct? Johnny, what else?
We find the common denominator, which is 8.
Okay, we find a common denominator, which is 8. Now, what if you didn't know it was 8? What would you do on the side?
You will put the factors of 2, multiples.
The multiples of 2 and 8. Very good. Good correction. All right, so what are the multiples of 8? Eduardo? Repeat it. Okay, he didn't raise his hand. Daniela? Multiples of 8.
Yes.
Okay, 8 and 16, 24. Okay, we don't need to continue, is basically what our buddy Johnny said. Because what are the multiples of 2? Oh, everybody knows that, huh? Good, good, good.
14, 16.
Alright, so our lowest common multiple would be the 8. So that's why we would put the 8 here.
Yes.
Now, what is our next step? Luke, do you know what the next step is?
Yeah,
What is it?
it would be, but for me, what I did was, but I thought, can I show you what?
Well, I guess so. Jeez. Whoa, I took an addition. It's a subtraction problem, though.
What?
Gotta watch those signs.
Yeah.
Subtraction sign.
Oh yeah, Miss Morella used to yell at me.
All right, watch where you put the subtraction sign, though, Luke. We don't put it that high.
14.
Oh, I thought that was like.
Isn't it already the same? Just like,
All right, give him a sec. Let him do what he's got to do, right? Okay, good.
Times 214. Wow, that's a big number.
That was another thing.
That makes sense, but
He's actually kind of right, but not.
Yeah, but yeah,
not really.
At least
they're the same denominator.
no, kind of, yeah.
Smaller numbers. Smaller numbers. But that's what I did.
Yeah, but that's a
Can't you do it 2 ways?
you have to make it simplest form of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why it's
Can you
simplify it? Because 2 times 2 times 4 is
Oh,
8.
please, hold on, sit down, sit down. What did he do wrong here? It's 7/8 minus 1/2, right? Let's look at this. He gave us the common denominator. You got to be very careful, though, Luke, with the way you're setting up the problem, because it's a little messy. You need to have your equal signs, like I said, and I know this is here. This might be in the way, okay? So let's erase that to keep it out of the way. All right, but you did 8 times 2 is 16. 7 times 2 is 14. So then you went with 2 times 8 is 16, 1 times 8 is 16. So you did the problem right. But is 14 minus 8 5? What is 14 minus 8? 6. 16ths, right? So if we simplified 6/16ths, what would we get?
3.
What are you dividing by? The 2? 3/8.
Oh.
So this is exactly what, you did a good job, Luke, and I'm very proud that you did this, because what you are showing us is, well, first off, everybody makes errors, okay? But so you made a little subtraction error, which is okay. But your answer would be wrong, but you're showing us that you know the process, okay? However, if you had correctly subtracted and you really had the 6 here, what you would have done was forget to simplify. Because that is, when you go too big with the multiples and you choose a bigger multiple, then you always got to remember to simplify it. We said that rule. So here, let's stick with the lowest common multiple. We have 2 times what would give us 8? Daniela? 4. Whatever we do in the numerator, we do?
In the denominator.
Right, or denominator, numerator, whatever. 1 times 4 is 4. I know, I said it backwards. But it doesn't matter, you picked up on it. 7. 7 minus 4?
That's not like a 7. It looks like chicken scratch.
Thank you. Thank you. That's how I write chicken scratch. Okay, so now everybody sees how you easily, in one step, you can get the 3/8 if you correctly pick the lowest common multiple. All right. Good job, though, Luke. Very good. All right, everybody. On your whiteboards, I want you to try to do question number 2, and then I'm going to break it up and we'll do it into groups.
Oh yeah. That's what I'm